Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
And I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today we are going to be unboxing the 3D PG Mondo Box, which is a monthly filament subscription. Alright, so just a little while before Murph this year, Steve from 3D PG reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in sampling a Mondo box. And you know, I'm a sucker for mystery filament boxes, so I was like, heck yeah, I want to check that out. So let's check it out. Now, I don't know much about the Mondo box other than the fact that it is a filament subscription box. So what's in this box, I don't know, but I guess that's part of the mystery.
Candy? Oh.
Now, this I actually did know. So the very first month that you sign up for the Mondo box, you get this very cool laser cut. It goes together and twists. You get this very cool laser cut spool, and it's cut out of wood. And you can see that's all laser cut. So that is really cool, and it's technically pre-assembled. It just slots together and locks, and that way you have a nice spool.
Can I see?
A nice spool for your samples. I'm going to put on my spectacles now. No, do it right.
I did.
No, you didn't have it all in there.
Okay.
Look, that centerpiece goes together like a puzzle and even locks in there. It's a little springy.
Yeah.
But be gentle with it because you can break it. Alright, so the first thing right here on the top is some 3D Fuel natural recycled PETG made from 100% recycled PETG, which is really cool. Our PETG has fantastic optical properties resulting in nearly transparent prints with amazing light transmission. That's exciting. I can't wait to try that. Different layer heights and print settings will affect how your 3D printed parts. Apparently it'll affect how your 3D printed parts. I guess we ran out of room for the rest of that. I'm assuming that's how they're going to look. Print specifications on it. The type is an RPATG. Print speed 30 to 100 millimeter per second. Extruder temp 235 to 260. Bed temp 60 to 90. Abrasive no. So pretty much typical what PETG runs, even though it's recycled. And I just noticed something. I don't know if there's one of these in every one of these, but look, there's a maker coin, a 3D PG maker coin in with that, and I have to assume that that's printed with this filament.
That's nice.
So let's show you this label first of all. And I don't know if you can scan that QR code, and then comes with a cool little maker coin. That's a neat idea.
Yeah.
Though that has to be very, very time consuming.
Okay, we got. Oh no.
Oh no, what?
No. These guys made it.
Oh, I see 3D Industries. This is white PLA, compatible with nearly all FFF 3D printers. IC3D Filament is extensively tested utilizing various extruder designs and hot end styles made in the USA, right in Ohio, and we actually got to go there this year right before Murph, which was awesome. It is a PLA, prints at 50 to 100 millimeters a second, 200 to 240 degrees Celsius. Now I find with IC3D, you definitely want to print on the hotter side, but that's where I get my best results. Bed temp of 0 to 60 degrees Celsius and non-abrasive.
Is there a maker coin in that one?
Nope, I guess you get it just with the one.
Okay, here's the next one. I'll read this one. It's cool.
That already looks really interesting.
Okay, you can.
This is COEX, C-O-E-X is what it looks like to me. Transition Mystery PLA. Yeah, this is COEX's random PLA sample that is generated as they are changing out filament colors. A quality PLA that is unique color providing one-of-a-kind prints. So what it is like if they were printing white and they were switching to green, this is what came in between. This is the transition. You understand?
So,
you know, like when we switch filaments on the printer, it's got that piece that'll be one color and it changes. That's what this is. This is cleaning the extruder. So this is PLA. It prints at 50 to 100 millimeters a second, 215 to 235 degrees Celsius. So a little bit hot for PLA. 0 to 70 degree bed. It doesn't say anything under abrasive. So, but that is 3dprintinggear.net.
I wasn't looking.
Are you going to read the next one?
Sure.
Look what's that? Look what it's got.
Yay.
It's got a maker coin in it.
Inland Basic PLA Purple, a quality standard PLA filament. House brand filament of Micro Center compatible?
Yeah, of Micro Center. Compatible with
almost all desktop 3D printers. Best used for cosmetic prints, complex models. It is PLA. The print speed is 30 to 100 millimeters per second. The extruder temperature is 190 to 220. The bed temperature is from 0 to 60. It is not abrasive. And we got a maker coin in it.
And it has a maker coin in it. There's the label for that one, and there's the maker coin. That's kind of a cool. It's kind of a cool purple. It's not pale, but it's not real rich. It's kind of a, I don't know, but it's a neat purple. I like the purple. Five filaments.
It's flexible.
You gonna read that one?
Sure. It's Saint Mart power to makers. It's green TPU. An ultra flexible thermoplastic which prints strong parts that are also less flexible. Be aware of settings to ensure printing success. It is PETG. The print speed is 15 to 30 millimeters per second. The extruder temperature is 195 to 230. The bed temperature is 40 to 60. It is non-abrasive, and that's it. And it's
well, no. What interests me, and I could be. Oh, it does have a coin in it. Yeah. This says TPU, but this says PETG.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure that those are two completely different materials. We haven't done anything with any type of flexibles yet, but oh, that's cool.
Good.
So let me show you guys the label on that, and I'm going to have to research that TPU PETG. That could have just been a mistype, but or I could be wrong. Maybe they're a version of each other.
Like it.
Is that pretty neat?
It's neat. Oh, we got a sticker. We got a sticker.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
it's a nice color too. I like that color. Oh, nice 3D PG sticker.
What is this?
You don't have to hide it. You can.
I don't want it to be coupon codes.
It's all right.
No, I don't think it's good.
All right, so that's the flyer for the Mondo Box. 3D printing gear is dedicated to bringing its customers the newest and innovative products in the 3D printing market. Our company's initial offering is the Mondo Box, a subscription-based filament box shipped out each month. Okay, so this is perfect. So 5 filament samples. You get 20 meters of each, and that is $24.99 per month. Exclusive for subscribers include 1 high-end exclusive filament sample per month. Receive a laser cut mini spool to use with your filament samples. Unique monthly contests and opportunities to win some cool 3D printing gear swag.
Ooh.
Unique theme boxes of sample filaments periodically throughout the year. Opportunity to weigh in on our subscriber box and be recognized for supporting 3D printing gear. Receive an anniversary edition box during the anniversary of your subscription, which will include some cool bonus swag as thanks for continued support, with more to come for our subscribers. That is awesome. So, yep, here. If you like what you see here, and again, that is the Mondo Box, M-O-N-D-O box, and you would like to check it out for yourself and get your own Mondo Box, you can go to 3dprintinggear.net/Mondo Box, and that will allow you to sign up and get your own box. As you can see, it's a fairly good value for, you know, what you get versus what you pay. I love the
it's a surprise.
The extra maker coins put in there. I do. I love the fact that it's mystery, that it's always a surprise when you cut the box open. Full disclosure, again, so that you know, this box was sent to us free of charge for our viewing enjoyment, as well as the purpose of making this video. No money changed hands. All opinion expressed here are our own.
Our own?
Our own.
Okay.
There you go. Not like our.
Our. It's our own.
So again, if you want to check it out, check out 3DPG for the Mondo Box, and leave some comments down below if you do get one, or if you've gotten one. I would love to know what you think about the Mondo Box as well. Thank you to Steve for reaching out to us and offering to send us this. The mystery filaments are always fun. It's always exciting to get to try new stuff. I don't know if I've ever printed anything with SandSmart materials, so that will be fun. As we print through this stuff, we will, of course, draw attention to where it came from, and keep you guys updated on that. Anything else?
No.
If you like what we're doing, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. And until next time, as always, print on!